We've embarked on a journey where we've kept exploring uncharted territories for more than 60 years without ever stopping. We are Bestop, the leading manufacturer of premium Jeep Wrangler soft tops and other great off-road accessories. Back in 1954, we started inside a small upholstery shop with a Rocky Mountain backdrop. We started with an idea and a sewing machine. This turned into more ideas, then more, and led us down a path where we never used rear-view mirrors. While we knew that no other Wrangler soft top manufacturer was close to us, we were far more interested in what lied ahead to make innovative soft tops, the right soft tops, the best soft tops. This is where we are made to escape.